So I think I figured out what I'm gonna do next. And I think it happened when I first pulled the truck into the shop. I broke the shock. I don't know if you can see it. You probably can't, but I'll show you guys when I take the wheel off. That it's completely snapped in half. Now, if I'm taking this wheel off to replace the shock, I'm definitely not going to be putting it back on. I'm going to be putting on those rims and tires right there. So let's go ahead and get this truck lifted up in the air, take this wheel off, and I'll show you guys exactly where the shock broke, and we'll get a new one on there and get those rims and tires on there. All right, let's get this wheel off. Of course.
A little longer than a few minutes later. Eventually.
Alright, so to run those wheels and tires, or should I say just wheels, I have to run adapters because of the bolt pattern. The bolt pattern on the old style 8-lug is 8x165, and the newer one is 8x180. Now I'm not really sure how it's going to look on here because I haven't used wheel adapters on this yet, on these trucks yet. Hopefully it doesn't stick out too much because I don't like that look. Alright, let's get a good look at this broken shock. Look at that. Wow. In case you guys didn't know, to take this shock off, it's super simple. You got a nut right there and a bolt and a nut going right there. There you go. Look at that. This was, what is this? I don't know. It's trash now. Alright. These right here are the wheel adapters that I got. I went with the billet hub centric, sorry. I'll link these down in the description. No, I'm not sponsored. Just want to let you guys know what parts I'm using. So we're gonna put these on here and see how they fit. There you go. Fits perfect. Oops. As you can see, it fits right there on the hub. There's no space whatsoever. And what I like to do for a little bit of insurance, I take some red Loctite. Yep, they'll be a pain to remove them, but take some of that, put it on the thread.
I don't like you because you're dangerous. I am dangerous.
Actually, for now, we're gonna use plain old blue. I still got slotted and drilled rotors and fresh pads I want to put on here, but I'm gonna do that on another video. So we're just gonna put a little bit of blue right there on the threads. Not a lot. You don't need that much. I'll show you guys. Let's put a little bit. Well, it'll come out. And there you go. Just a little bit on the threads. And guys, I've never ever had any issue with running wheel adapters ever. And I've taken them all the way up to 150 miles an hour, so I'm pretty sure these will be just fine. You know, you got a lot of people that say, oh, don't run wheel adapters, you'll you'll snap them off, or yeah, I've never had any issues. So we're just gonna bolt these on and send it. Since a lot of this is pretty redundant, I'm probably gonna switch this thing into a speed lapse, and you'll see me working super quick. Nice, I'm liking it already. All right, I'm liking that. Much better, definitely. What do you guys think? All right, all I gotta do is button that on there, and we got the rear tire and rim. I'm excited. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am sweating, and all that snowy weather, it's gone, and I'm so excited. It's back to being nice and warm out here in the South like it should be. Don't y'all think that looks good? I do. But I don't like this wheel gap. I don't like it at all. They say wheel gap is like thigh gap. The less, the better. So yeah, I think either an 8 or a 9-inch drop. I was thinking a 6, but anywhere from a 6 to 8 or a 9 in the rear, I think it would be perfect. Like I said, let me know in the comments what you guys think. And if you guys got any recommendations for lowering kits, let me know. All right, let's get to the rear. I like it. All right, guys, there you have it. Sorry about that. I ran out of battery, but we're back at the house now, and I'm finished. I'll see you guys on the next one. I think we're at the limit of the stock pump. What we've all been waiting for. We're gonna